The spotlight is on Kethi Kilonzo once again, this time round for apparently obtaining a master's degree irregularly. She is reportedly on record saying that the certificate hangs on her office wall. A letter bearing the signature of the University of Nairobi's Vice-Chancellor Professor George Magoha that is dated August 12th this year explains that Kethi was indeed admitted to the University School of Law in September 2008 to pursue a master's degree in law in the 2008-2009 academic year. The letter continues to say that upon failing to satisfy the examiners and pursuant to her own request for remark in one paper, the student was advised to recite the paper in question in the examination scheduled for February 2012. Professor Magoha concludes the letter by saying, quote, Ms. Kilonzo is yet to recite the paper and as such continues to be a student, end quote. Back in 2009, a letter bearing Kethi's name and her supposed university admission number was addressed to the Dean of the School of Law, Parkland's campus, requesting for a remark or review of her examination in the course GPR 602, Legal Research and Methodology. Kethi's supposed letter reads in part, quote, I believe and pray that you so find that the fail I obtained in this paper is inconsistent with my performance in the other 8 courses, in which I obtained 7 A's and 1 B, end of quote. Kethi's battle for nomination for Makueni Senator's seat on a wiper ticket appears to have opened a can of worms. On 12 July 2013, lawyer Alphonse Mutinda allegedly requested the university to furnish him with information, quote, regarding the recall of the master's degree in law irregularly awarded to Ms. Kilonzo, end of quote. Mutinda acts for the National Rainbow Coalition, Narc, a constituent party of the Jubilee Coalition, and Agnes Ndetei, a former MP for Makueni, who was also an interested party in the case. The lawyer emphasizes that IEBC's Dispute Resolution Tribunal vindicated them by declaring that Ms. Kilonzo was indeed not a registered voter and her registration documents were either falsified or stolen, and consequently revoked her clearance to vie for the Makueni senatorial seat in the July 26th by-election. Mutinda's letter addressed to the Chancellor of the University of Nairobi reads in part, quote, It is our concern and a matter of public interest that Ms. Kilonzo has a consistent trend of falsifying documents and obtaining documents, qualifications and or clearances through untoward means. This comes as Kethi prepares to take a plea on the charges of forgery and stealing from the Electoral Commission leveled against her tomorrow. Today, she spent part of her afternoon at the CID headquarters, where her fingerprints were reportedly taken as directed by the court. Though her tribulations appear to come in droves, Kethi seems to have the support of her late father, Mutula Kilonzo's Wiper Party.
Tutamuunga mkono mpaka mwisho.
Sylvia Chebet, Monday Special.